What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Carolina, your San Diego realtor, and this week I wanted to give you an update on the real estate market for the fall season. So there's absolutely no denying that the housing market for 2021 and obviously 2020 has been great for both the buyer and the seller side. Obviously the supply and demand has really gone on for the seller side, and the buyer side has really been able to take advantage of the historically low interest rates. But for the rest of 2021, the fall season, we are kind of gearing the focus more so towards the buyer side with this video. Obviously, sellers are still having a great advantage with the supply and demand, especially here in Southern California. This video is more so what the fall season will look like for buyers and how it's actually a great time to buy. So throughout the year, buyers have clearly been really affected with bidding wars and the low mortgage interest rates, even the sold out new construction with like 200 people on the wait list. So thankfully, there's been a lot more news towards kind of a balancing out. The increased home supply is really going to help you have a lot more options to choose from compared to having like the one or two homes in a neighborhood. You're going to have at least a 17.6%, according to realtor.com, of increased homes on the market in the fall, starting specifically in October. So this allows more options, which means less competition. Less competition brings in fewer bidding wars, and that is such good news for a lot of buyers that have been outbid multiple times on multiple homes that have gone from 600 to 725 in price range. So fewer bidding wars, even on homes that are like crap condition, okay condition, average condition, brand new, everything. The bidding wars are gonna start slowly coming down. We do still recommend on the buyer side to come in with a strong offer so that way your immediate first offer is the offer that's chosen right off the bat, instead of coming in at asking price, under asking price, whatever it may be that you choose to offer. But you still have a possibility of having that bidding war because there are still a lot of buyers. If you come in strong from the get-go, then you have a much higher chance at this point compared to summer or spring of 2021. There's also going to be an adjustment in prices, especially coming into October and the fall season. According to realtor.com, there will be a 7% decrease in some home values, as to a lot of sellers are coming in very eager still. They're like, no, my home is worth $1 million. I'm listing it at $1 million and that's that. Whereas now, with the way that the appraisals have been coming in throughout the year of 2021 and the data that doesn't support such an eager price range, you'll see about a 7% decrease in home prices. So you'll see that a home was maybe listed at a certain amount 2 weeks ago and is now listed at 10,000 less, 50,000 less, whatever it may be. There will be that price reduction because as the supply rises, the demand goes down. So if you're looking in only La Mesa and in your criteria throughout spring, throughout summer, there was only maybe 5 to 10 houses at a time, we're now going to be seeing again that 17% increase. That doesn't necessarily mean just in the La Mesa area or in one community, but that increase is more supply and less demand because there are more choices for you to choose from and for your competitors to choose from. Most sellers will also be a lot more likely and motivated to sell as soon as possible within the month of October and the fall season in general, because who wants to wait 30 days, 60 days, ending up having to pack your bags and move during the holiday season? The only boxes you want to be packing and opening during the holiday season are Christmas presents, let's be real. So the sooner that a house has a strong offer on, the sooner they're gonna want to sell so that they're out, you're in.
Everybody gets to celebrate.
So again, increased housing supply, less competition, and adjusted prices are really gonna help with the buyer side of the real estate industry this fall season. And it's really a great time to take advantage. Interest rates are still very low, and more supply, less demand, less competition, fewer bidding wars, a lot less trauma. But as always, lean on
a trusted real estate professional
and let us be your guide. Let us be your friend, your ally, your advisor. We are here to work for you, and lean on us to keep you motivated, to keep you savvy when you're looking for your dream home. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.